Hi everyone, I'm Sophie and today I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Thirsty Palette. So I just got this in the mail. I was so excited about it. I got some liquid lipsticks also. This was my first order from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It came in this nice pretty pink packaging. I really loved it and I'm excited to play with it. I was thinking about doing maybe two looks, like one more wearable look and one more dramatic look. I'm gonna start by taking like a flatter brush. It's a big brush. I'm gonna take Parched and I'm going to just pat it all over my lid, just see what it looks like. Okay, so that color is like actually my skin tone, so it's the perfect color to set my eyelid primer, and I think I will use that one a lot. I'm gonna go into Kumquat with a fluffy brush and put that in my crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Taste Buds and just go a little bit below where I started with that one. And then I think I'm gonna take the Real Techniques base shadow brush and I'm gonna take Quench and I'm gonna blend out the top of the orange color kumquat that we put down first. So it's gonna go, it'll go from pink to orange to yellow, but obviously all blended together. This is definitely super cute. They all blended together really, really nicely. I haven't had any trouble with them like patching on my eyelid. They blend really, really nicely. All right, now I think I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna go into Lick and I'm gonna put that on my whole eyelid. That is a really, really pretty color. I had to like really work with it to get it to go on, but it's such an interesting like formula. It's not a glitter and it's not a shimmer, but it's super pretty once you work with it. So I think I'm gonna do the same on the other eye, but I'm gonna take a brush just to see which way I prefer to apply it. Okay, now I already know that I prefer applying this with my finger. It picks up the product better and it stamps it on the eye better. This is really pretty. I love how it looks. I didn't even know where I was going with this look and I'm very happy with the results. I think I'm gonna leave the top how it is. My other option would be to like deepen up the outer corner, but I think I'm gonna leave it how it is, kind of like an orangey yellow look. And we will put Quenched and Kumquat on the bottom. There's not really a good inner corner highlight. I mean, Divine would be if this was not as gold and yellow as it is. Let me swatch Filthy Rich, see what I feel about that. I could probably put Filthy Rich in the inner corner. You know, let's try it. Let's try it. We're just gonna use my finger again. All right, that's definitely a cute moment. So this is the first look that I did. I added mascara, and for the lips, I used the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Nathan. I've wanted this forever, and when I ordered the palette, I was like, screw it, I'll get that too. I'm very happy with it. I think it's a beautiful color. Just saying, that's a good lipstick. I feel like yellow eyes are all the rage right now. And I wasn't even going for this, but it just all blended together so nicely. Now let's move on to look number 2. All right, so I'm back for the next look. I really want to dip into the blue shades, and something in my brain wants me to use Stroke and Submerge and Splash. So I think we're gonna do something with that. So I guess I will start off by putting Stroke in my crease. Okay, so as you see, I didn't blend it out that well because I'm gonna take Bitch and I'm gonna blend this color out with that color to make it more vibrant. Now I'm going to take a mixture of stroke and drizzle and put it in my outer V. Okay, so everything's blended really, really nicely so far. And now I'm going to take a chance. If it goes horribly wrong, I think I have a backup plan. But I'm going to take Submerge and put it on my eyelid. Okay, this isn't looking bad. I'm kind of liking it. I'm gonna take Plunge and pack it in between the blue shade and my outer corner shade. Okay, that looks super cute. And I think I'm gonna go back in and just intensify the blue. Alright, I'm like actually living for how this is turning out. I love it. It's like definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's like, so good. So I think I'm gonna take Bitch and put it on my lower lash line and put Stroke down there too. I think that's my plan. Okay, since this was such a dramatic look, I put Drizzle on the outer corner also, and I'm gonna take Submerge and I'm gonna put it like right in the inner corner, but not like a highlight in the inner corner. And then I want to make my inner corner shine, so I'm gonna use a highlighter for that. So I'm gonna use ColourPop Flexitarian and put that in my inner corner. All right, I'm back. I popped on some dramatic lashes and a thick wing. And on my lips, I'm wearing Mannequin. I don't know where I put it. Here it is. Mannequin by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This one smells like root beer and chemicals. It's really weird. And the other one didn't smell like anything. And I know he said he puts root beer scent in his lipsticks, but it doesn't just smell like root beer. It also smells like plastic. This is the look. I actually love it. I think it's amazing. Everything blended really, really nicely. Everything was so pigmented. The glitters or shimmers or whatever you want to call them were like really fun to play with. I had a blast today, let me tell you. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to see my new content, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!